Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily clear out that storage space, get some more storage space back on your Apple computer. So this could be a MacBook Pro, an Air, an iMac, whatever. They pretty much all work the same way. But what you want to do is click this Apple up here in the top left corner. And then you're going to go to About This Mac. Then it's going to give you all of your information and you can go to Storage. So under this section, it's going to tell you like all the information you need to know about what you have stored on your computer. So here's my computer hard drive, and this is a portable hard drive. So pretty much what you want to do is click Manage right here. So then it's going to give you some options for what to delete. One of the main ones is you can go to this right here, Reduce Clutter. Just click Review Files. And that's going to open up a lot of your files. I'm just going to say the size over here. So you can look what these files are. And then like if you decide you don't need one, just drag that down into the trash. And then you're going to empty out your trash can. That's going to save you 492 megabytes. Like if you were to delete that one. So you can come here and see like what your biggest files are, what you should delete. But now that we're on this screen here, this is the documents. So I have 28.1 gigabytes of documents. You can also look through here and see what else you have stored on here. So another one you can look at is applications. So you can see like what the biggest applications are. And if you don't use or you don't need any of these, you can get rid of them. So like, I don't need this one anymore. I can click delete. That's going to save me 297 megabytes. Delete. So that one's gone now, freed up a little space there. You can go through these and see what you don't need and get rid of those. Another big one is going to be mail and messages. So a lot of the times it saves like old emails or like images within emails. So you can go to your preferences within the mail app and set it to only save the recent items or not download images, things like that. And that's going to help you out a lot as well. So another one, messages. And when you're in an app, you can come up here to the top and go to preferences. So this is going to have some more options for you. I have mine set to only keep messages for 30 days. So basically it's only saving recent messages. Once it reaches 30 days, it'll just automatically get deleted. And if your messages is connected to the messages on your phone, they won't be deleted from your phone. This is only like what is stored here on the computer. So things like that can save you a lot of storage space. But yeah, there you have it. Remember, just click the Apple in the top left. Click About This Mac and then go to Storage. Click Manage and then you can come in here and sort of get rid of stuff that you don't need. This is pretty much the easiest way to find it all and get rid of it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily videos. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past.